managing virtual environments with Pipenv for Ansible projects. Streamline Ansible projects with Pipenv, a virtual environment management guide. So first of all, let's ensure that Pipenv is successfully installed in our system. In my case, I'm on Macintosh and I'm using Homebrew to install Pipenv. The installation will be similar using your package manager. So after we are ready to create our wonderful Ansible project. So let me start creating an empty directory Ansible-project. As you can see, no file is inside, and now we are ready to use Pipenv. Cool. First things is to actually initialize the environment, and I need specifying the version of Python that I would like to use. In my case, Python 3. Cool. It's taking care of the running Python in my system, in my case 3.11.6, and is creating all the scaffolding of the virtual environment. There is also a requirement.txt file, and is trying to install all the necessary package, not in the current directory, in the directory that precedes this one. So let me remove this file and I can initialize the system. Cool. As you can see, Pipenv Python 3 now is ready to go. We have a success, so the virtual environment was successfully created. Now we can start installing Ansible, so Pipenv install Ansible, and behind the scene Pipenv is connecting to the PyPy package registry, resolving the dependency and installing inside the virtual environment. So in a blink of an eye, it will download all the necessary package and the dependencies and installing all the necessary software in our system. Plus, it verifies that everything will be good to go. Isn't magic? I think this is super great and is better than a PIP experience. As you can see now, is actually executing the transaction for installing all this package, not on all our system, just inside the Python virtual environment. Cool. Give him just a couple of seconds more and the virtual environment now is good to go with our Ansible system. As you can see, we can run a single command using pipenv run or actually activate the virtual environment using pipenv shell. Cool. We are inside the virtual environment and just to prove it, let me type Ansible -- version and verify the information. Cool. We are in Ansible core 2.14.5 that is actually running inside the Python 3.11.6, exactly the same version of the virtual environment. As you can see, all the paths refer to the virtual environment of this Ansible project. Cool. Now Pipenv created all the boilerplate, all the scaffolding that we need to execute our Ansible project. Now we can start typing our playbook and the sky is the limit. The creativity will guide you. Here we are. I'm so proud. We were able to create a new PIP environment, initialize, adding the Ansible as a dependency, and activate this virtual environment. Sounds like magic. Thank you so much. Let's automate more, and I'm excited to hear your success story. Have a great day. Yay!